There we go, that's better. So yeah, for like the beauty contest, or people bringing their own machines, they come out here. And on that one too. We should move that one a little closer to us.
I don't know whether at this point in our lives I should
Hello.
go to the other store and just walk.
You should be Mr. Sherrod.
Yes.
I'm Young Shin.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Yeah.
I know you from the internet.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Like, is it okay to take?
Oh, yeah, by all means. Yeah.
Wow.
My tie on.
Beautiful.
Yeah, no, that part of it. Unless Adam's hold them. I don't think he went down the trail. I forget how it's over there. Okay.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah.
Trip from those.
I found this event last night around 8 p.m.
Oh, really?
So I just adjusted the time schedule. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
should leave before 11 back to the Delaware.
Oh, wow.
Remember me that I asked
Yeah.
what is the berry type, all this stuff.
Oh,
You
yeah,
left
the
me
yeah.
long time ago.
That was a while ago, yeah. But I remember it, I've seen you on sometimes 3s, but you don't see 11s all that often.
It's the 11. It's very low. There is some low.
I am so glad to have met you.
Yeah, this is fun.
This is fantastic.
This is Typewriter.
This one is any different to previous one compared to the number line, something like
The only real difference is that, most Olivers have those handles on the sides, the wings.
Uh-huh.
These don't.
that? Oh, no
So you
handle, no handle.
You just have like a little
yeah,
cutout.
Right,
So,
right,
they're
right.
easy to pick up that way.
So except that almost same.
Yeah, pretty much, and black as opposed to green. But
Also, this one, number 9 has this one also.
oh, I think so. I'm pretty sure it does.
I like your anchor on that.
Oh yeah. I'm just worried about this thing blowing away. That's kind of one of the reasons I'm hanging out out here. As opposed to inside where it's nice and warm.
I'd like some
Backspace.
coffee.
Yeah.
Can I get you one?
No, I'm good.
Please, I'm good.
No,
I'm across the street.
I'm no
Can I
coffee
get
guy,
you a
so-
coffee?
No, I should leave to the Delaware because I found this event last night around 8 p.m. So
Yeah.
I adjusted the schedule, the hurry up.
Yeah. Go through and check everything out.
Oh no, I'm just going across. I think.
Yeah.
If you want anything, let me know.
Oh, I'm good. But I appreciate it. Thanks.
This other is a regular typeface.
Yeah, that one is.
I have a OCL typewriter. I mean the typeface OCL.
Yeah.
Adela from the Adela.
Oh wow. Those are neat. Like, how big is it?
No, regular. I think.
Why is the
Not
street
big.
gonna be closed today? Or no parking?
It's just right here for the type it. I don't know what there's some other event down there.
Okay.
But
Yeah, I
that's-
was
that's
like,
not ours.
I'm like, what is going on?
Yeah.
But I cannot remember. They have this one.
Oh, yeah,
the universal 200.
Okay. Yeah, the paper injector thing.
Yeah.
This one might go to Bill. He likes this one, but I can't. I bought it probably a month or two ago. But the carriage is stuck, and there's like a counterweight in there it's just completely seized up. Everything else on it is great, but I can't get it to to move left or right. So it's again another machine I'm hoping not to have to take back home again.
So your main job is the teaching in the college, right?
Yeah.
The
Yep.
Villanova
Yep.
University. Yeah. I watched your
day
picture with the president.
Right, the basketball coach and President Obama.
Yeah. I forgot.
When they won the championship and went to the White House. Yeah, I could think Jay Wright could make a good president, I think.
I live very close to the Biden's house.
Oh yeah.
6 minutes.
Oh wow. Yeah. I remember a couple of weeks ago they had some F-16 flyover. Apparently they went, it was
Maybe.
like, what's going on? They said apparently there was a small plane that had violated airspace over Biden's house, and they scrambled the jets to go down there. So, like, is this World War III? I'm like, I don't think so. But we'll see what happens.
Bill, I know it's off season, but do you mind if I use some of the ones outside?
Yeah, there's actually a green and white one in the hallway where the tables and chairs are. Top of the stairwell.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Beautiful. Electric. Beautiful. Under there. Another beautiful selector.
That's good made. I was
10.
never able to get them in order for Museum. And it felt pretty excluded. And so I felt that. We don't need no stinking badges.
You've seen that movie, so we don't have to.
We don't have to go through. You see this guy? I found this out here. I didn't expect it to be in such good condition.
We have these in electronic format, both of these, but I've never seen.
No. Oh, lunch. For the other machine. No, you're fine. That thing's a holy grail. Yeah, this is assignment for everyone. Mark made it for us. For today's typing.
So, oh, good. So I can get a picture.
Yes.
Sure. Should be here.
And that's cool?
Yes. I know. Yeah.
Is it running?
You need to maybe the wind up.
Yep.
Open the volume. Beautiful.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
1918.
1918.
Yes. No, not yet. Not yet. I'm fine. Found it down in Bear, Delaware. Needed a good cleaning. Needed a degreasing on the drum. The arm needed to be adjusted for height. After that, the machine ran through it. No. These are all. So I got a bunch of the original, the 78s that were made of shellac, and then I've got a ton of vinyl that's like 45 or slides.
Usually doesn't look like this, but usually it is.
It just
This looks like a workshop, the repair.
45 it works, but it won't work for long.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, check it out.
Sorry, I'm just gonna see if I'm sorry.
Oh, what is this?
It's really a little too much emotional unless one of you wants to like, or take one or two people. Are we filming behind the scenes back here?
I'm not sure. The sign's missing now. So maybe without that sign, that's what it means.
Like looks like 72 or 71.
Today? Okay.
Today we're filming.
Sign down.
Yeah, we don't have any.
Yeah, thank you.
We're not
Just not
showing.
downstairs.
We're not showing people's names or anywhere.
No, I flipped over all the. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, because today I wanted people to be able to. Yeah, be yeah.
That's what. Yeah, right. That board.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think everything here is.
Yep. You need to have that available just in case somebody comes up and goes, hey, what is going on?
Leave right there.
Yeah, I have a copy, you have a copy.
I should move in here.
Anything else we need to know?
Oh my God.
I had a very long talk with Priscilla last night. I called him and I said, he was like, whoa, I'm watching the
There is a better way. Yeah.
I said, well, listen,
what is the name? President. Yeah. Tom Hanks, he used this typewriter also. Amazing.
That. This. Put it out back. This, these. And the box is full of these. Okay.
For now, yeah, for now it's.
Yep.
There's a mixture of them in here, so.
These are great. This is exactly what we
You know, Robbie, it's kind of good about maybe doing this. Oh, yeah.
You know what, I'll put the rest of this, I put all the strings in. Or should I?
I have no idea how many they're expecting to
500?
submit.
Well, the first 40, that's it.
Do you have a date on it? Do you know?
I did find
I got some here.
That's in our contest.
No little
What's that? Bring their typewriters for having a contest.
Yeah.
Not here.
Oh, we were here yesterday.
You were here yesterday?
We were. Oh yes, we talked a couple weeks ago about the keyboard arrangement. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw that.
The lecture series from Madame Spot.
Good.